I'm one of the assistant rangers with the Heathens Reunited project, and I'm here on one of our sites on Broxhead Common. This is a Dartford Warbler, so I'm hoping you can see him relatively well. And here is lovely little scratchy tune. The Dartford Warblers are one of our special birds on a special protection area. They nest on or near the ground in these gorse bushes, which you can see him singing from at the moment. And it's a real treat this Monday morning to have such a good view of him. Thanks very much.